Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google TV, and in today's video I will show you how to access your Chrome browser on your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to settings on your Google TV. So on getting to settings, click on OK. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to apps right here. Click on apps. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on see all apps. Here you go. Come down below right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to show system apps. Click on it. Then all system apps is going to open up right here. The next thing you want to do is to continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google Chrome browser. So continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. These are all system apps until you get to Google right here. Go ahead and hit on Google, then you have it right here. So this, it simply means that you can use Google Chrome browser on this particular Google TV. Now, for you to install Chrome browser, go ahead and navigate to your Google Play Store. And for that, just come back right here and scroll down right here and go to Google Play Store. On getting to Google Play Store, go ahead and click on Open. And the next thing you want to do is to make use of search from the top right here. Search app right here on your Play Store. Then come to search and type in Google. Go ahead and type in Google. So go ahead and type in Google and hit on search. Then here you go, you have Google right here. Go ahead and click on it. The next thing you want to do, you can easily update your Google apps for Android right here. Here you have access back to your Google apps for Android. So you can see the app interface right here, which simply means that on this Google TV, I can easily use my Chrome browser to access internet. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.